Welcome back. In this geometry lesson, we're going to use some Algebra 1 knowledge to simplify the ratio. The first one, we have $12 to $16. First thing we check, they have the same units. And then we start to simplify. We say 12 to 16. 12 is 3 times 4. 16 is 4 times 4. And 4 divided by 4, that is 1. And we have 3 to 4 left. Therefore, we say our final solution is 3 to 4. This is simplified. Alright, let's look at the next one. We're going to first check the units. Units said square meter, square meter. That's all good. And let's look at 32 is 4 times 8. And 8 is 1 times 8. 8 divided by 8, that is 1. And we have 4 to 1. That is our final solution. You can also write as 4 to 1. Such as this, you can also write as 3 to 4. Okay, remember you're not reading as 3/4, you read 3 to 4 because we're talking about the ratio. And also, do not write this 4 to 1 just as 4, alright, because we want to keep it in the ratio form. The ratio form is A to B or A to B. Alright, and let's look at next one. First thing, check the units. Oh, the first one is inches, 10 inches. Next one is feet. Okay, we're going to change the feet to inches. So we have 10 inches. Every 1 foot is 12 inches. We have 2 feet, so we have 24 inches. All right? Now, 10 is 2 times 5. 24 is 2 times 12. 2 divided by 2, that is 1. And we have 5 to 12. You can write down 5 to 12. You can also say 5 to 12. All right, this is how we simplify ratio. Happy learning.